In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Perplexity AI account. If you've decided Perplexity isn't for you anymore, or you just want to close things out and move on, I'll walk you through the exact path to remove your account. I'll also point out what you can expect to see on the screen so there are no surprises. Keep in mind that deleting an account is typically permanent. Once it's gone, you'll lose your saved activity and preferences, and you won't be able to get them back. With that in mind, let's get started. First, open your Perplexity account. You can do this on the website in your browser or in the app if you have it installed. You want to be on the main Perplexity interface so you can reach your settings. Think of this as your starting point before making any changes to your profile or data. Next, look for Account and Settings. On desktop, this is usually found by clicking your profile picture or your initials in the corner, which opens a menu where Account and Settings appears. On mobile, it may be in a menu icon or profile area. Go ahead and open Account and Settings so you can access all your personal options. Inside Account and Settings, choose the section labeled Account. This is where Perplexity keeps your core account controls, things like your profile details and the options related to managing or removing your account. Select Account to continue. Now, scroll down. You're heading toward the bottom of the account page to find the area related to deleting your account. Don't worry if you don't see it right away. It's typically placed after the more common settings, so you can't click it accidentally. Look for the option that mentions deleting your account and click. Learn more on Delete Account. This link explains what deletion means for your data and starts the removal flow. It's designed to make sure you understand the impact before you proceed, so take a moment to read anything that pops up. When you're ready, confirm deletion. Follow the on-screen prompts and confirm that you want to permanently delete your account. You'll likely see a final confirmation screen reminding you that this action can't be undone. Once you confirm, the system will process your request and your account will be removed. You may be signed out immediately as part of the process. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Perplexity AI account. If you ever decide to return in the future, you can create a new account from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the process with confidence.